Hi friends, we will now read one shloka from the Bhagavad Gita. It talks about the good role models. In Bhagavad Gita, it is Lord Krishna who says this to Arjuna. Krishna who says this to Arjuna in the context of motivating that man to do his duty. Arjuna at one point of time, he was so confused, he was confused about his duty. So it was Krishna's job to counsel that man. So Bhagavad Gita is a sort of counseling session. Bhagavad Gita for about 2.5 hours, Krishna counseled Arjuna. So it motivated him to understand what was the task in front of him and how he should avoid confusion and then go ahead with his work. So here in that context he says, this is about how people seek role models, how people imitate others, and then how people try to progress in life. So this is, I will explain the shloka, we will read the shloka, then I will explain the shloka. We will read it. Yadyad acharati shresthaha tattadevetaro janah sayat pramanam kurute lokastadanuvartate. So here he says, yad acharati shresthaha. Shresthaha means a nobleman, a person who has achieved some success in life. So such person, whatever he does, yad acharati, whatever he does, suppose a great leader, suppose a great film actor, your favorite film star, your favorite football star, your favorite tennis star, suppose he or she smokes, then this man also starts smoking. He may not be a great player like them, but then this man also starts smoking. So yadyad acharati shresthaha tat tadeva itaro janaha, even all other people, the so-called the fan club follows the same. Then sa yat pramanam kurute, whatever standard he sets up, yat pramanam is a standard, a benchmark. So he achieves certain benchmark, kurute, lokaha tadanuvartate, other people, they try to follow that. You want to be a great cricket star, you have in mind your great cricket captain, and then you have in mind, you have that person in mind, you almost do some upasana of that star, and then you keep hitting. So it is like that, because a human being is basically an imitative animal. A human being, right from his childhood, is an imitative animal. The society itself, in fact, the culture, understanding the culture or developing in a particular, growing in a particular culture takes place in the same way. Because right from childhood, the boy sees in his house, okay, no, don't touch that, you are not supposed to touch that. And then he sees what his parent does. Then again, he follows what the teachers say. He follows the teachers. Then slightly from that period, when he independently watches some tennis stars or some other football stars, he wants to become some basketball player. He wants to become some other player. He wants to become if he slightly grows up, he may like to become a scientist. He may like to become an advocate. So all these things, all these professions, he sees certain great people, the people who are celebrities as we call them. So such celebrities we want to imitate. All of us in our childhood, we have such celebrities in mind. And then we try to imitate them, we try to follow their their achievements, and then we study them closely, and then we also imitate. We learn some good behavior and also bad behavior from them. So it is like that. So the whole world of advertisements, if we see, the whole world of advertisements is based on this only. Because some film star comes and then she starts talking about some cream or something like that. Some other star comes and then he talks about some Colgate toothpaste. So we do not know, we are not bothered about the scientific analysis of that particular toothpaste or an analysis of what are the contents in that particular cream. But then because that star is using, we also tend to use it. So that is the whole world of advertisement goes with this type of imitative behavior. It is succeeding because a human being is an imitative animal. Then, so this particular shloka says, Sayat pramanam kurute. Pramana means a sort of benchmark. a sort of standard of behavior. So we try to reach the same standard. So in this particular context where Lord Krishna tells Arjuna, what we have to see is we have to select the right role models. The children may not have the wisdom to select right role models. So the parents have to guide them in that situation. The parents have to give them some right kind of say inputs, the right kind of books maybe, so they can give some good. If you want to make your son a football player, okay, you put him in that. The parents have to have some clarity. If you want to make your daughter a tennis player, okay, you put her in that particular channel. But if you want to make them something else, if you want to make her a doctor or an engineer or a scientist, you give some good books relating to that particular stuff, and then tell him the stories about great scientists. There are so many say books and videos and films on every subject now. So expose them to such things so that they will follow certain good role models, because any person is having that instinct to imitate others, to imitate the great people. So that thing we have to keep in mind. So in this particular shloka, not much of grammar, there is no important grammar, points of grammar. Yad acharati shreshtaha. Shreshta, I explained that word. Sayat pramanam kurute lokaha. Lokaha is a general word for all the people, the common man, let us say. Lokaha. Tad anuvartate. Tad anuvartate means that follow. Anuvartate. Anuvartanam. So this is what it is. We will read this shloka again. Yad acharati shreshtaha.
यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः
तत्तदेवेतरो जनः स यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते.
लोकस्तदनुवर्तते.
Okay.